So let's talk about the R. Kelly federal court trial going on in New York right now. So we all know R. Kelly and we all know what he's been involved in the past few years, but recently Brooklyn prosecutors have taken him to trial. In fact, he's been in trial for the past 4 weeks in federal court in Brooklyn. And essentially the charges are one of racketeering, and then there are 8 violations of an anti-sex trafficking statute called the Mann Act. And essentially what the prosecutor's evidence is they've collected a number of alleged victims who are testifying in court about how R. Kelly, in the height of his fame, basically preyed on these young women and sexually assaulted them. Interestingly, and this recently just came out, is there was actually an alleged male victim as well. So to back up again, the prosecutors are bringing all of these witnesses and they're going to be trying to put him in jail for a very, very long time. Now, what's the defense in this case? In my opinion, it's not a very strong one. Basically what they're trying to argue, the defense lawyers, are that all of these alleged victims who are coming forward, that they're jealous, that they are fanatical about him, and they are upset with R. Kelly for stopping the relationship. And essentially what they're going to argue is that all of the relationships are consensual, presumably. I think they'll just deny the one with the male. But they're going to argue that all of the other relationships were consensual, they were proper, nothing crazy was going on. Again, despite the fact that they also provided evidence that R. Kelly was videotaping all of these individuals as well. But what you need to know about federal court, well, one, no cameras are allowed in a federal courtroom. But also, when federal prosecutors bring a case against you and they take it to trial, it's different than when a state's attorney is bringing a case against you. Because when the feds come after you, they basically think they've got a 99.9% chance of winning. And I guess it comes back to the question is, if he is convicted, how does that affect his legacy? I can't answer that. I'll let you guys answer that, but I think it'll certainly have an effect on it.